Shingle repair. How to replace broken or missing shingles. That's today's video. Stay tuned. Okay, first off, yeah, see, wind was perfect till I got up here and now it started blowing. First off, we want to lift the shingles above, and this is a little different because it's right here at the ridge. But you wanted to raise these shingles. These tabs, this is about broke off as you can see. And you need a flat bar, wonder bar, or something like that. I prefer my wonder bar because sometimes when you're doing that, you hit your knuckles on the shingles and it's smart. So what I'm going to do is raise these tabs. What I'm looking for is this nail, but not this nail, but the nail under there that's holding. I done got that one out. I don't know if you can see that hole right there where I got that. I'm looking for another nail, and I may have to take these cap shingles off. We'll just see. Well, here comes F16. So anyway, let me get these nails out, and while they're flying over, there's one right there. I'm gonna get that one out. Then I'm gonna pull this shingle straight down. This shingle is a little different replacement than others. It's under the cap shingles. It's nailed. See that nail right there? So we have to go along here, and every cap shingle, we have to lift this up and pull that nail out until we get down, get this shingle out. So just be warned of that. This one's coming through, so I probably will replace this cap shingle, and that cap is just basically a tab cut right here, then fold it over that way. So let me get these tabs pulled up, get these nails out, and then I'll come right back. Okay, got that shingle out. What made this worse is that these shingles here above it are slightly over the ridge, and they're nailed far back up in there. This cap shingle will have to be replaced, so I'll do that. And then we're going to slide our new shingle up in there, back to where it was, or where the, not where it was, where the old shingle was. And I need two hands for this, but as you can see, it's going to slide right back up in there. If it doesn't, chances are you forgot a nail under there someplace. So it should slide, and we want to keep these edges even with this one. So let me get off here, let me slide this up there and get it nailed, and then I'll come right back. Any of these shingles that you raise, now with heat, they should lay flat and they should seal right there. But get you some roofing cement. Comes in caulk gun, about a nickel to size dime of a dab either in or above the sealant line at the corners, and then you're going to push this back down and seal it. These would probably seal themselves, but I don't take a chance on it. I help them out. And another thing, I know a lot of y'all are going to complain about this right here. This is where the homeowner had these shingles left over. Their homeowner supplied, and I will note that on the contract that it was homeowner supplied, and that they have been bent and cracked right there. They didn't even want to go buy a new bundle, so we used what they supplied. But you note it, because if it comes back and they say, oh, my shingles you put up are cracked. Well, I told you about it, and I noted it in the contract that you signed, so they can't say they didn't know about it. So that's just another tip for you handymen out there. Homeowners, go get you some new shingles. I mean, they're really, it's your roof, but hey, they didn't want it on this, so they don't get it. But anyway, just remember, these ones that you've lifted need to seal back down. So anyway, now for real, I got to get busy before it's starting to rain. Okay, got our new shingle nailed in place. Your new shingles will be nailed at the ends, and it'll be this sealant strip right here. It's got to be your nails above that sealant. Some people put them in it, it's supposed to go above it. Read the directions. And then I use 4, and I put one above each on a 3 tab. I put one above each of these grooves here above the sealant, and there you have it. Now I'm going to replace this cap shingle, but that's how you replace a shingle, a 3-tab shingle. As you can see, I've got some more to do, but this is how you do it. It's really simple. The most dangerous part is getting on and off the roof, and while you're there, your ladder work. So make sure you're up on your ladder safety. And anyway, I've got a whole bunch more to do before it starts raining. So anyway, we'll catch you later. Donald, Blue Collar DIY, I'm out.